$5,000 a month from your phone, working Monday to Friday from home. No boss, no ceiling, no studio. I know what you're thinking. That sounds too good to be true. I thought the same thing. And then I hit my first $5,000 month, and then I did it again and again. And now I want to show you exactly how I got there. And more importantly, why most Canadian women over 40 who try UGC never make it past a few $100s a month. Because there are some things nobody is telling you. And today I'm going to tell you all of them. I'm Julie, a Gen X Canadian UGC creator based in BC. And I teach Canadian women over 40 how to build real income from brands using my 4P method. No big following, no young face, no tech background, just a phone and a system that actually works. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly why you are stuck and exactly what to do about it. Now let's check on my dog. There he is. Let me start with some harsh truths, because I think you deserve honesty more than you deserve a highlight reel. Harsh truth number one, the UGC apps are keeping you broke. Billo, Join Brands, all of them. They are a great place to start, and I still recommend them for beginners building their first portfolio. But if apps are your entire strategy, you're going to burn out fast. Here's why. Those deals pay $30 to $50 on a good day. You are competing with thousands of other creators for the same opportunity. You have no relationship with the brand, and the moment you are not on the app, the work stops. That's not a business. That's a hamster wheel with better lighting. Harsh truth number two, posting pretty videos and hoping brands find you is not a strategy. That's hope. And hope doesn't pay the mortgage. I see so many women spending hours on aesthetic content with trending audio and beautiful transitions and getting zero brand deals from it, because brands are not scrolling your feed looking for pretty. They're looking for a creator who shows up consistently as someone who genuinely uses and loves products. Real beats pretty every single time. Let's check for Doggy again. There he comes. Oh my goodness. Hi, Farley. Harsh truth number three, and this one is the big one. You are thinking like a hobbyist when you need to think like a business owner. A hobbyist posts when she feels like it. A hobbyist sends one pitch email and gives up when she doesn't hear back. A hobbyist treats every brand deal like a one-off transaction. A business owner has a system, a follow-up, and a business owner turns one brand deal into a long-term relationship. And a business owner wakes up every Monday knowing exactly what she's doing that week to generate income. That single shift from hobbyist to business owner is what separates the women making $200 a month from the women making $5,000. Let me tell you when that shift happened for me. I had been doing UGC seriously for a while. I was getting some gifted deals, a few small paid ones here and there, but it felt inconsistent. I was always chasing the next thing, and then something changed. The inbounds started coming in. Brands started finding me, not because I went viral, not because I had a massive following, because I'd been consistently showing up as exactly who I am, a real Gen X Canadian woman who uses products and has opinions about them. And I had made it very easy for brands to find me and reach out. That was the moment I stopped thinking like a creator, hoping to get discovered, and started thinking like a business owner who had built a system that generated leads while she slept. And everything changed after that. So what is the system? I call it the 4P method. Phone, portfolio, pitch, paid. 4 steps, that's it. But here's the thing about the 4P method that most UGC advice completely misses. It is not just about getting your first brand deal. It's about building a repeatable system that generates consistent income month after month. Let me walk you through what that actually looks like in practice. Puppy needs a frisbee throw. Woohoo! The phone. You already have everything you need. Your iPhone, or Android is a professional content creation tool. Natural light from a window, a $15 tripod, a clean corner of your living room. That is your studio. And here's something I say all the time. I purposely film slightly unpolished and completely real because that is what brands are actually paying for, not perfection, authenticity. The women making real money in UGC are not the ones with the best equipment. They're the ones who show up on camera with confidence and genuine energy. That's something a ring light cannot buy. The portfolio, before a brand pays you, they want to see what you can do. And here is what most women get wrong. They think they need clients before they can build a portfolio. You do not. Walk around your house right now, pick 3 products you genuinely love, film a 30-second video for each one using this structure: hook, problem, solution, benefits, call to action. That is the anatomy of a UGC video that you're going to make most of the time. Build a simple 1-page Canva website and add your videos, a short bio, your location, because Canadian brands want Canadian creators, and that's a real advantage. And you need a button that goes straight to your email. Done in a weekend, that portfolio is your storefront, and it works for you 24 hours a day. The pitch. There are 3 ways to get brand deals, and most women only know about one of them. The first is UGC platforms, great for beginners, limited for growth. The second is cold outreach, a confident professional email to a brand you genuinely love. Not begging, not apologizing, just a creator who knows her value, reaching out to a brand she believes in. And here's a tip that will immediately make your pitches stand out. Use the name of their newest product in your subject line. Not collaboration, inquiry, the name of the product they just launched. When a brand manager sees that in their inbox, they think this person actually pays attention to what we're doing. That email gets opened. The third method, and this is the one that changed everything for me, is what I call the inbox strategy. Your professional email visible in your bio on every single platform. That one move alone has generated more brand deals for me than anything else I have ever done. Korean skincare brands have found me, all sorts of retinol brands, menopause brands and companies have found me, wellness brands, kitchen supplies. All these have found me. None of them were pitched to by me. They came to me because I had made it easy for them to find me and reach out. The inbox strategy works while you sleep. And as a Canadian creator, you have an extra advantage that nobody talks about. A lot of the brands reaching out pay in USD, American dollars, which means with the current exchange rate that you're getting an automatic 30% bonus on every single deal. That's not nothing. That is a very Canadian superpower. The paid is where it all comes together. Most women start with gifted collaborations, free products in exchange for content. And that is completely legitimate. It builds your portfolio, it builds your confidence, but gifted is not the destination, paid is. Once a brand has seen the quality of your work, you pitch the next package with a rate attached. You follow up professionally and persistently, because here's what I know from experience. Most brand deals are not landed on the first email, they're landed on the follow-up. And you track everything, every brand you contact, every follow-up date, every outcome, because this is a numbers game. And the women hitting $5,000 months are not lucky, they're consistent. They're systematic, and they do not get emotionally attached to outcomes. I was sending 20 emails every single morning to new brands every day for weeks. Not every email gets a response, not every pitch lands. And that's completely fine because consistency pays off every single time. Here's what $5,000 months actually look like in real life. Not the highlight reel version, the real version. I wake up and I have my morning coffee. I do my weights and my walk. I check my emails, and most times there's an inbound brand request sitting in my inbox waiting for me. I organize those requests. I write scripts and I film content. Have lunch, walk the dog, send invoices, and I'm done. Monday to Friday, that's it. We've got trips to Mexico, Italy coming up, Hawaii on the books. presents for family members, home time with family. That is the after picture. And it started with 4 steps: phone, portfolio, pitch, paid. Now, here's what I want you to hear before you click away. You are not too old for this. You are not too late. You are not too behind. You're exactly who brands are looking for right now. And the fact that you're a Canadian woman over 40 is not a limitation, it's the whole point. The Gen X gap is real. The buying power is real. The demand for creators who look and sound like your customer is real. And there is not a single course out there built specifically for Canadian women over 40 with a named system and Canadian context baked throughout. Until now, I've built the 4P method course specifically for you, a complete step-by-step system to land your first paid brand deal in 30 days. Real numbers, real Canadian specific strategies, real templates. You can use them today. And if you want to be first in the door at the founding member price, the link to join the early access waitlist is in the description now. I would genuinely love to see you in there. And if you want to know exactly how I get brands sliding into my inbox without pitching them, go and watch this video next, and I will see you there.